This weekly crop review is brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited.
For week 8 of the 2017-2018 sugarcane crop season, the factory milled 41,163 tons of cane. Since the beginning of the crop, the factory has milled a total of 366,488 tons of cane. That is 1,760 tons more than what was milled during the same period last year, when the factory milled 364,728 tons of cane. Taking a look at sugar production, 4,304 tons of the sweetener was produced for week 8, and a total of 38,014 tons since the commencement of crop. That figure surpasses the 36,544 tons produced last year. For the 8th week of crop, the factory worked at a grinding rate of 5,880 tons cane per day and the 6,108 tons cane per day for the 8 weeks of crop. Last crop, the grinding rate stood at 6,079 tons cane per day. The report on cane quality shows that for week 8, juice purity first expressed stood at 87.03%, 86.74% for the 8 weeks of crop, and 85.73% last year. For the 8th week of crop, it took 9.56 tons of cane to produce 1 ton of sugar. Since the beginning of crop, TCTS stands at 9.64. Last year, it stood at 10.06. As for the sugar extracted from the cane, 96.03% was recorded for this week, 95.95% for the 8 weeks of crop, and 95.87% last year during the same period. This week factory time efficiency stood at 98.94%, 93.69% for the 8 weeks of crop, and 95.23% last crop. According to BSI ASR, good pulp extraction led to an improvement in cane ground per week with a total of 41,163 metric tons ground. Cañeros, cañeras, el lodo afecta la calidad de la caña y la eficiencia general de la fábrica. Cañeros, eviten el uso de los empujadores de caña, con el fin de reducir la cantidad de lodo entregado a la fábrica. Amontone la caña al tamaño del agarrón de la cargadora.
This weekly crop review was brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited.